Dikkat et, önüne bak, sakin ol.
Warning his friend about a van on the left, this rider doesn't expect what happens next. She hesitates, pops the clutch too fast, and swerves straight into him. Thankfully, she bounces off both the biker filming and the van instead of going underneath it.
Hay aman. Hoppa. Senin belliydi böyle bir şey yapacaksın ama. Sen de...
Sketchy conditions and a wet racing line don't mix. One small squeeze of the brake is all it takes for this rider to learn just how slick the track really is. On his way home, this rider runs into a Dodge driver who clearly isn't a fan of his lane splitting. After the truck swerves to block him, the biker squeezes through anyway and returns the favor. Now making his way to the front of the line, the rider naturally assumes the driver is long gone. But out of nowhere, minutes down the road, the truck comes barreling back toward him, chasing him down. And the next move the driver makes is even worse. Just watch.
Oh my God, bro, he's gonna dedicate his life to get to me, bro. Oh my God. Ah, he got a knife! Oh, he got a knife! Hey!
Here we have yet another driver annoyed by lane splitting, but unlike the last one, this guy decides to escalate it further. Just watch as he literally gets out of his car to confront the rider just down the road.
Dude on that thing! Yo, dude on that thing! Bro, I remember you!
Oh, yeah, you're the guy from Instagram.
Yeah. Bro, you should hit it on that thing.
Out riding with friends, this biker spots some familiar faces and stops to say hello for a second. But before they can exchange information, a not-so-friendly neighbor and an alleged off-duty cop march over to confront all of them.
Pick up the party, but this is a public park. I'm recording you, so I'm going to report you to our homeowners association. You can't ride out there. I know it looks like fun, but you can't do it.
Alright. I'm recording too, so.
Well, you know, the whole thing, I'm an off-duty police officer.
Okay.
Yeah, I am. So what's the problem here? Y'all don't know how to drive right?
Oh shit. Hey, it's not recording anymore.
You can't tell me not to record. It's a free.
No, I said it's not recording anymore.
It is recording.
No, it says low battery.
It is say low battery.
But I was just hoping.
I'm recording.
Hey, sir, did you see me go over there? Did you see me go over there?
All right, let's go, bro. Let's go. Let's go, bro.
No, yo. You just came to me. No, yes, you did. Over there, were you not me? You were going to when you were riding fast there.
All right, let's go, bro.
25, that's what that is. 25.
Hey, let's go. Let's go, bro.
Yeah, that's 25. That's what I got.
All right, let's go, bro.
After diving too deep into the next corner and low siding, this rider is able to bounce back on his feet surprisingly quickly. Riding alone, he calls his girlfriend for a pickup, but also gives full credit to his gear for keeping him in one piece.
I think I'm fine. No, my gear protected me. Okay. No, I'm actually really.
A new rider makes the mistake of unintentionally running a red light and learns the hard way why timing and awareness matter. When traffic is already moving at speed, there's no margin for error. Always pay attention when coming up to an intersection, scan both ways, and never assume cross traffic sees you. Lane splitting through stopped traffic, this rider catches a biker getting clipped when a car suddenly merges. A clear reminder that in slow or dead stop traffic, merges are sharp, not gradual, and if you're moving too fast, you won't have time to react.
Oi? Calma, o Piá tava vindo ali, né?
Pois é, eu olhei, ele não coisou.
Não coisou. Você piscou e entrou, Piá. Vou erguer aqui a moto.